Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or deny read or write instant messages in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and here click on permission manager. Now in permission manager, scroll down and click on additional permissions, and here you will be able to see the read instant messages and write instant messages. So to allow or deny read instant messages permissions, tap on read instant messages, and from here open the app in which you want to allow or deny the read instant messages, and from here you can allow or don't allow read instant messages in the app. Similarly, go back and click on write instant messages and follow the same steps. Open the app and from here you can allow or don't allow write instant messages in this app. So that's how you can allow or deny read or write instant messages in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.